Biscuit factories produce thousands of delicious biscuits every day. The process begins with sugar, corn syrup, and other ingredients. These ingredients are moved to the production area. Large mixers combine the ingredients to form a sweet syrup. The syrup is heated to extremely high temperatures. Engineers carefully control the cooking temperature.
Adjusting zone 3 to 185 degrees.
Confirmed, monitoring flow rate. Holding steady at target. Colorful dyes are added to create vibrant candies. Flavorings are added to give each candy its unique taste. The hot mixture is poured onto cooling surfaces. Workers ensure each biscuit is perfectly shaped. The biscuits are baked inside large industrial ovens. After baking, the biscuits turn golden and crispy. Cooling systems reduce the biscuit temperature.
Each biscuit is inspected for quality.
Some biscuits receive delicious cream filling. Robots assemble the biscuit layers together. Some biscuits are coated with chocolate or glaze. Machines arrange the biscuits for packaging.
The biscuits are packed into protective trays.
Packaging machines seal the product securely. Labels and information are printed on every pack. Finished biscuits are stored before shipping. Forklifts move the cartons to the loading area. Finally, the biscuits are delivered to stores around the world.